Hello. I know light seems dark and whatever it is, so anyway, this video is something different. No, most of you probably watched the show series called Walking Dead Zombie. It's a Halloween week. I thought, let me check it. I was channeling that message. That's perfect for you and for me to think about it. But first, before we go ahead, would love for you to share this video. Social media, it's okay. If you're not comfortable doing that, go ahead, share direct message to the ones you feel comfortable sharing this message. They probably need to see that message. You are helping being the light to them and sharing universe message with light to help you to find your light, and you help your friends and family, whoever, to find the light. So, I'm going to ask you a question. Now, without judgment, I know people say bad person, they will never reverse, they never will the opera. I understand how you feel, but in general, okay, can zombie be reversed? Change into the light. Can they see the light? Zombie being, okay. Another thing I want to talk from zombie becoming back to light being. Okay, I have my notes in front of me. Okay. Zombies can manifest, and you probably noticed that some people, their body language, the look of their body, for example, strange action seem off. They seem like no life. Like the movement slow. Their eyes, can you recognize their eyes? No. People can be walking with their eyes open, but the heart is asleep. The heart is the light, asleep. People walk, they don't know what to do about life. No feeling. They don't know what to do. I read your message. We all need to show our light. Okay. Now, next thing is that the person probably seems disconnected. Can't seem to talk. It feels it's off. They don't want to talk. They're odd. Okay. It could be, I'm going to use deaf or deafblind as a metaphor. Can be deaf to your intuition. Can be blind to your intuition. She's walking. They can't see the light. They can't see the bright, the beauty of life. It's really sad. Okay. Can it happen? Now our place to decide. Our place is what? To be the light. Okay. The light. Everyone has light inside. Maybe very little. Your light. More light comes up. That light helps the darkness in that person's life. what you can do, the person or for yourself, you like it. You're lost. I don't know what to do. I don't have anyone to talk with. Have someone that don't want to. So, what you can do, be mindful, breathing, sit quietly, listen to music, watch video on YouTube that gives you relaxation, energy healing, affirmation Reiki. That Reiki means universe energy in Japanese, their language. So, also, practice compassion. All that will help dissolve the darkness in your heart. Maybe the person you meet, it's okay. Have compassion. Thoughts of love and comfort to that person. That's universe energy. Go to that person and say, hey, let's go out for a drink. Coffee, tea, water, whatever. Go out for a drink. You can't be the light. This is an affirmation. So, name my light. Awaken other light. Name the love. Be a cure that can reverse from darkness to light and not be walking dead zombie. Blessed to you with love and light, amen to you.